Okay, I'm taking a look at SOFI here. Let's see. Gonna start out with a retracement on the weekly chart. We had this big move and now it's come down, so we're trying to see what levels is it gonna respect. So we're just gonna mark all the obvious big ones on the weekly chart. Right. And then we're gonna go on an even bigger move. And we're gonna kind of just stack these levels together to get a bigger picture of which levels is the price action respecting compared to which levels is it just blowing through. Now we're gonna go from the clearest bottom all the way up to this new top formed, and then mark the 0.6 and the 0.5. Now we're gonna make these ones a little bit bigger so I can know that these are from a bigger time frame with the retracement that we did. There we go. See, now we have a really better picture of the levels the price action is respecting. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, you see this one, the 0.68 that was created from the biggest time frame, from the most bottom to the tippy top. You can see it's still well respected. Every time it hits it, you get a bounce. Every time it hits it, it's a great support level still. Even now. Now, if you look at this way, you can see that SOFI is ready to set a higher high again. Because if you're looking at this overall trend, where's my thing? After all this accumulation and basing over here, you started going up and you set a higher high. There's your, my bad. A higher high is over here. And then your higher low is over here. And then after you set this new higher low, you made new higher highs. And now over here, you're setting up another higher low, higher than this one. So you can clearly see that this is ready now to go and shoot upwards, especially after this first price action. When you see price action cut from all this downtrending, this should be letting you know that it's going to be ready. But it's obviously not going to be going on this first attempt, because there's always going to be people taking profits trying to get out, and then at the same time, whoever is it, whales or whatever, they're going to be trying to shake out everybody else before taking it up again to get at better prices, and then they'll send it back up again. But when you see this first confirmation, that means you'll most likely, there's a higher probability that you'll be getting a second one. Let me see. So now we can do a proper fib extension. starting off from this previous higher low to the higher high, and then put it right there. Okay, nice. And then from here, we get your new levels that you're going to be testing to see whether the price action respects them or not. And it's going to be 27, 29.94, and then 34, which is going to be your newest high, and then even 39, and then fucking even your 1.68 level. Oops. See, now you can understand when it's ready to launch again where it's going to be going if it continues in this positive uptrend. So you could be seeing something like this. Bing bong, bing, you know, whatnot. Okay. That is all.